Here from Isolator Fitness, I'm here to give you a detailed breakdown of our 6-meal Isobag in our most popular color, the blackout. If you need to carry 6 to 8 meals, whether it's all for you or whether you're packing enough for you and the family while you're out of the house, this bag is the one for you. The dimensions of this bag are 18 by 9 by 8 inches, and it weighs about 4.5 pounds. All of our bags are made in the USA with the highest quality materials and YKK zippers. This bag comes with a front-loading compartment that can hold 6 of our largest containers or 8 of any of our other sizes. In the top storage compartment, this bag can hold one 12 or 16-ounce food container. This is also a great place for any gym essentials such as headphones. It comes with 2 insulated side pockets for shaker bottles. It also comes with 2 mesh pockets for snacks, wallet, keys, or anything else you might need. It comes with a comfortable, detachable shoulder strap. 3 12-ounce ISO bricks are included, which will keep your food cold for 12 to 16 hours. Each bag comes with BPA-free, microwave-safe, and dishwasher-safe containers. This bag comes with 6 16-ounce, 2 12-ounce, 2 28-ounce, and 2 38-ounce meal prep containers. Meal management is important for any goal, whether you're looking to improve your health or change your body. We have an Isobag for every goal and lifestyle.
This meal bag is one of the best and most durable meal bags for those wishing to live a healthy lifestyle and keep your food insulated and fresh. It has an adjustable shoulder strap, which is perfect for carrying your lunch to or from work or school. It has this upper compartment here, which is perfect for carrying eating utensils or any other necessities you might have for your lunch. And a small little mesh pocket right here. It has an outer pocket, which is perfect for carrying beverages for your lunch. It's made of a water-resistant material, which is very durable and easy to clean. The zippers are also very durable and don't jam, which allow easy access in your daily use. The lunch pail has an inner foam lining, which is perfect for thermal resistance and allows you to keep your food warm or cold, insulated, and fresh. It has 2 ice packs inside for keeping your food cold as well. The lunch pail is perfect for those wishing to live a healthy lifestyle, as you can carry large amounts of meal prep for your work week or school week. The lunch pail allows you to live a healthy lifestyle instead of making impulse purchases or buying junk food or eating outdoors.